This is my quick unboxing video of the GMK Hammerhead. As you can see, the base kit comes in both light and dark themes, and since the colors used in both variations were some of my favorite colors, I obviously had to buy both. After spending over 400 Canadian dollars and waiting almost 18 months, they finally arrived. And I gotta say, GMK Hammerhead definitely is my personal favorite keycap set that I got my hands on this year. I try to adjust the lighting and color temperature to make the colors in this video as close to how I perceive them in person, so I hope it worked. Well, I'll stop talking so we can focus on these beautiful colors. I hope you enjoy this unboxing.